Hello, I'm Sonia, and today Elena is joining us for some fun. Today we're going to be making our favorite Spanish rice. Yay! It's Elena's favorite, right? And it's so easy. I never understand why people go buy it like to bring home, or they use like those packets of like powder and stuff. We're going to show you how to do it today really fast. It is so delicious. Yeah, and it's so easy. Elena makes it all the time alone, right? It's good. Okay, let's get started. And if you're new here, hello. Okay, this is what you're going to need is 1 onion, an 8-ounce container of tomato sauce, a little better than bouillon chicken base, a little white rice, and a little bit of your favorite oil. Then you're going to go ahead and take your onion. You're only going to need about 1/2 cup of a diced onion. So make sure you get it all ready and cut up, so when we get started it's going to go pretty quickly. We're going to start with our rice, but we wanted to know first, what is your favorite thing to eat in a Mexican restaurant? What is your favorite thing, Elena? Buñuelos. Buñuelos. Ooh. Have you seen Elena's video showing you how to do it? So is your favorite at home when you cook it yourself? Wow. I don't know what my favorite is. Maybe a flauta? Or, I don't know, breakfast tacos? What do you guys like to eat? Tell us in the comments. We would like to know. Okay, you're gonna get your pan and turn it on to a medium-high heat. And I normally don't measure this part, but it's about 3, but for you guys I did, 3 tablespoons of oil. You're gonna get it nice and hot. Then you're gonna take 2 cups of some white rice, and you wanna stir it around so the oil is getting coated on all of the rice. You're getting it all nice and coated because we are gonna brown our rice. So I just wanna show you that we're getting it high. This is what it needs to get to. This brown goodness there, you're gonna smell it. It's toasty, toasty. And it's gonna even sound a little different. Almost kind of sounds like a little poppy a little bit. And it's gonna smell so yummy, like a brown, I can't even say, like a toasted smell. And at this point, then you're gonna add in your 1/2 cup of onion that we had pre-chopped until they get a little bit translucent. Then we're gonna take that canned tomato sauce, throw it in, coat the rice, and then we are going to take 4.5 cups of water and add it to this. So I just want to let you know, I think I've made parts of this in some of my videos, but I didn't have a video just dedicated to rice. So I wanted to do one just dedicated to rice. So if you guys just want to make rice, here it is. So it is 4.5 cups of water. And Elena did join us for the beginning of the video, but then she started getting a headache. So I think towards the middle, she kind of walked away, if you guys are wondering where she goes. So then we are going to just bring this up to a light boil. And we are going to take some of that better than bouillon cube, and we're going to add in, I don't know, like a tablespoon or so, a little bit more. And you're going to stir it up. And what I would say is once it starts getting to like just a little bit of boil, what I do is I actually take like a little taste of it to see how it tastes and decide, like, does that taste like a good tomatoey broth? You're gonna be tasting it. And if it doesn't taste salty enough, then I add just a little more in. You could just use some regular little chicken bouillon cubes or just your favorite chicken base, whatever you want to use. You just kind of need like a chicken saltiness to it, and I like the better than bouillon. It's my favorite. Just pick it up at Costco. So you're going to bring it up to a light boil, and then you're going to, for 5 minutes, you're going to cover up your rice and leave it alone for 5 minutes. Okay? And I just wanted to show you that it is still slightly boiling. This is it right before I'm gonna take off my top, but I did want to show you, it's gonna look like it's steaming under there because that's what needs to be happening for those 5 minutes. You're gonna take off your, after the 5 minutes, you're gonna take off your top, stir it around just to get it all nice and get everything off the bottom, and you're gonna go 5 more minutes. And when those 5 minutes are done, you're gonna lift up your lid and you're gonna see that it's still nice and bubbly, and it is soaked up by that time pretty much most of the liquid that was in there. And at this point, we're gonna go ahead and turn off our heat, give it a little stir, and then you're just gonna let it sit there till it cools down a little before you serve it. And that's it. That's all there is. Okay, you guys, we're to my favorite part, taste test. You guys, this is so easy. A little bit hot. But it's delicious. Came out great. It is so easy to make. It comes out great every single time. I hope you guys give us a try. Next time you are making some Mexican food, and I'm working on something really fun for a special dessert for Memorial Day. So make sure you have your bell notifications turned on. And if you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing. And y'all, do me a favor, make sure you hit a big thumbs up before you leave. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Maybe I'm just hungry, but that's really good Spanish fries.